Where are you? I joined the lobby and you're nowhere to be found. Oh. Why are you playing that? Go play what we did last time.
It won't let me join you. Send me an invite. Oh, it's probably because we're not. That's probably why.
I can't say what I want to say. Hold on, wait for Isaiah. Yeah, but Isaiah's joining.